Today I'll start my topic 2.6, which is basic operations on complex numbers, addition, multiplication. If we add two imaginary numbers, if we add two complex numbers and we have ABCD belongs to R, real number, the sum of two complex numbers is given by, if we add them, we add the real parts and then we add the imaginary parts. As you can see, A plus C, B plus D, we take iota common from here. The sum of two complex number is the sum of corresponding real and imaginary parts. For example, 3 minus 8 iota plus 5 plus 2 iota. So 3 plus 5 plus minus 8 plus 2 iota common. 8 plus minus 8 plus 2, which is minus 6. So 8 minus 6 iota. Multiplication. If we have two imaginary numbers, then we multiply them. If we multiply them with a scalar k belongs to R, then we multiply with both of the parts, real and imaginary parts, with k. If we multiply two complex numbers, A plus B iota into C plus D iota, we multiply them as, you can simply multiply A into C, A into D iota plus B into C iota, B into D iota square, which is minus BD. So we separate the real parts and imaginary parts of this equation. AC minus BD is the real part of this multiplication and AD plus BC iota is the imaginary part of complex number. Multiplication of any two complex numbers is explained as you can see, A into this plus B iota into this. AC plus ADI iota plus BC iota plus BD iota square, which is minus 1, because iota square is equals to minus 1. So we change the position of real and imaginary terms, and this is the final answer. As you can see in this example, 2 minus 3 iota, 4 plus 5 iota, we can solve it using this formula, and the answer is 23 minus 2 iota. Subtraction. Similarly, if we subtract two complex numbers, then we subtract the real part plus the imaginary part. For example, Z1 minus Z2 is equals to A plus B iota minus C plus D iota. We subtract A minus C, the real part, plus iota common, B minus D. As you can see in this example, minus 2 plus 3 iota minus 2 plus iota, minus 2, 3 minus iota common, minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2 is minus 4. Division. If we have two complex number and we divide them, then we change this complex number into a real number. For this, we multiply it by conjugate of this number, which is C minus D iota. So we multiply C minus D iota and divide by C minus D iota, because it can be cancelled and the answer is same. Conjugate. If we multiply these two values, A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. Similarly, C square minus D iota square, we solve it and this is the real number. Also we arrange these values into real and imaginary parts, and this is the final real part and this is the imaginary part after division. These are the examples of complex numbers. Separate the real and imaginary parts of minus 1 plus square root of minus 2 square. If z is equals to this, then z square is equals to whole square of this number. We can write square root of minus 1 into 2, square root of 2 into iota square. we change this into iota form. We can write it as minus 1 plus iota into square root 2 into the same value, and we use the law of multiplication and multiply them, and this is the final answer. We can see minus 1 is the real part, whereas minus 2 into square root 2 is the imaginary part of z square. Express this in the standard form a plus b iota. We always multiply with the conjugate of this form, 1 minus 2 iota, multiply and divide, and this is the formula of a plus b. A minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this is the real number. This is the final a plus b iota form, where a is equals to 1 by 5, b is equals to minus 2 by 5 iota. Example 3. Express this in the standard form. We always multiply by the conjugate of this value. We can write it as 4 plus 5 iota into 1 by 4 minus 5 iota and multiply it using conjugate. Again, this is the formula of a square minus b square, and this is the real number. This is the a plus b iota. A is equals to minus 9 by 41, b is equals to 40 by 41. Solve this equation. This is the multiplication of two complex numbers, and it equals to the third complex number, where we know iota is equals to minus 1 square root. After multiplication, we separate the real and imaginary parts, and these two are equal. Only the real part is equals to real part and imaginary part is equals to imaginary part. So we equate the real and imaginary parts and obtain 3x plus 4y is equals to 1, and this is equals to 0. Using two equations, we solve them simultaneously and we get the answer of x and y. So our chapter 2 is completed. Thank you.